Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Patriot and I will show you how to remove and replace the ceiling dome or reading light bulbs. This video will apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Okay, now these light bulbs are actually very easy to replace. All you have to do, you have to pry out this middle piece. Now the best tool to use would definitely be something like this, a plastic trim remover. That way you won't make any scratches or crack the plastic. But if you don't have one, you can use like a small flat screwdriver. Okay, now here on the left side you will have like a small opening, and this is where you want to pry this middle plastic piece out. Now my plastic trim remover is too thick, so I'll be using a flat screwdriver. So just want to push it in here and press and pop it down. Okay, just like that. And now you have access to both of the light bulbs. Now to remove the light bulb, you want to grab it with both of your fingers and pull it straight down. Okay, just like this. And when you're installing the new bulb in, you will just press it in. And now before putting this cover back on, make sure to actually test if this light bulb you just replaced works. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.